Say hi. Can you say hi? Olivia, can you say car? Good job. Can you say banana? Yeah, banana. Can you say hat? Good job. Can you say eat?
Eat.
Eat. Can you say milk? Can you say cracker? That's right. Can you say all done? Say all done. You don't want to say that one. Can you say more?
Moo.
More. Can you say bubbles? Say bubbles. Can you say book? Say book.
Bo.
Book. Can you say dog? That's right. Can you say all done? Yay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.